Hey everyone, this is Trainboy70. Today I'm doing an unboxing of 2025 Motorized Gordon. I got this Motorized 2025 Gordon for Christmas along with a Fire Scotchman. So here's the front, the top, the bottom, side, the other side, and the back. Here are my tools to unbox Motorized 2025 Gordon. 2 AAA battery, a screwdriver, and scissors. I'm gonna unbox Motorized 2025 Gordon off camera, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. As you can see, I just unboxed Motorized 2025 Gordon. So here it is on the track. So we have Gordon and his tender and his express coaches. Just like Motorized 2025 James, you could take the coat off of Gordon's tender. If you want to put the coat back inside Gordon's tender, just put it inside like this. I gave Gordon 2 AAA battery and I gave him a test one and he works. So let's get Gordon a test one, shall we? Well, that is a great test one of Motorized 2025 Gordon. If you like this video, send a comment and press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video and we'll see you next video.